Itigil mo na ang pagpapanggap. Hindi mo kaya mag-diet.
I've been searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me. Then you came